What's up? Welcome back to Supreme Tech. In this video, we're going to be unboxing this Bluetooth selfie stick and tripod combo. It's from atumtek. I'm going to leave all the links and everything in the description so you can check all that out if you want to buy one of these for yourself. It's an amazing deal for $23. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it. I'm going to show you how to use it and show you one of the best things about this that I didn't even know until I got it, because they sent this to me to make a video about. They just wanted my honest, opinion, my review. So they sent me this, and we're just gonna open it up and show you what comes in the package. But before we do, this is what the box looks like. Okay. All right. And there's just that. So let's open this up. When you open it up, you got your instructions. Put that to the side for now. We got the actual stick. Now, the cool thing about this is it's a selfie stick and a tripod. And it looks like this. So it's very portable. This is definitely something if you're on the move and, you can't, you don't want to bring a big old tripod. You don't want to bring your whole camera bag and stuff. You could just use your iPhone or whatever phone you got and use it on this. But let's just get these stickers off. Alright, so we got all the stickers off and everything, but this is what it looks like here. Okay. It's got the Bluetooth remote. It's got the tripod legs on the bottom, and the tripod top comes out of here. I'm going to show you how to open it in a second. But if you want to take the Bluetooth remote off first, you just peel at the bottom and it comes off. This is what it looks like. It's pretty small. It's just got like a camera button. It's only one button on there, and there is a place for a micro USB charger. It's right there, and that's right here in the box. We got that, and one more thing here, if I could get it out. This is very important too. It's a 3-year warranty card, so make sure not to lose this, because if you do end up getting this 3-year warranty, that's a pretty good deal. So now that we got everything out, I'm going to show you how to open it. It tells you in the instructions, but you want to make sure that you do it just like this because you don't want to break it. First, you take this and you just take each one. It comes out just a little bit, okay, on the bottom. You see how it's like that? You don't want to keep pulling this. Then once you got these 3 things out, what we're going to do is we're going to pull the top, this part here. You're just going to pull up, and then you'll see when you keep pulling it, it opens up the bottom, okay? That's what the tripod looks like. I'm going to also get some shots from far away so you guys can see exactly how tall this actually goes. But it's not quite 3 feet, but almost. So you can see it's a pretty long tripod. When it's on the ground, it's about waist high. And this is actually pretty sturdy, guys. It really is. For the price, I thought it was going to be a little bit more flimsy than this. I thought it was going to be just not as sturdy. But it is pretty good. I mean, it's got metal on the inside here. You can see it's connected by metal. And that's what, makes it retract when you push it back closed. You see it just goes closed. And then when you open it up, see what I mean? So make sure when you're opening and closing it not to actually pull it by these, because you will break it. To close it, you just push it and it closes. And then you want to make sure to lock them all into place. Throw it in your bag, do whatever you got to do. It's great portable tripod and a selfie stick. If you just want the selfie stick, don't do anything on the bottom. Just pull the top out and it comes out and it's a selfie stick, right? The top thing rotates. You can rotate it back, forward, whatever you want to do. You can also put it straight down. So if you're like recording your hands or something, whatever you got to do, or straight up, obviously. But I mean, overall, I give this thing for the price and how useful it is. I give this thing like an 8 out of 10. So I really recommend it. I mean, 23 bucks, you really can't beat it. Again, the links are going to be in the description below, so that's all you got to do. Click on the link and it'll take you to the website. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you how to hook up your Bluetooth remote to the charger. So you got a USB-C in there. One end looks like this, the other end looks like this. You're going to take the smaller end and you're just going to plug it into this part of the remote. Okay? And then that's it. Just plug this into an outlet or a USB plug, doesn't matter, and let it charge up. It tells you in the instructions what each color of the light means, but literally it only took me like 20 minutes to fully charge it. So just throw it on charger 20-30 minutes and you should be good to go. Once it's charged up, I'm going to show you on my phone. I'm going to switch the camera and I'm going to show you how to actually connect this to the Bluetooth on your phone. So let me go ahead and switch cameras and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I got the remote, we got my phone. So first thing you want to do is come into your phone and go to the settings, and you're going to want to make sure you turn Bluetooth on. Depending on if you got an iPhone or Android, it really doesn't matter. It's pretty easy to turn on the Bluetooth, but it might be in a different spot in your phone. But most times you just go to settings and you should be able to turn on the Bluetooth. This is what it looks like here on my iPhone. What you're going to do is you're going to long press the camera button, which is the only button on this little remote. So you just hold it for 2 seconds. Okay. And it should turn green. Should have just a little green dot on there. And once it does, you're going to look for atumtek. It's ATUMTEK. And you're going to click on it. Then once you click on it, it should say connected. And then you're connected. That's all you got to do. Then you just go to your camera or whatever, app you use to take your pictures. And now that we're on the camera, I'm just going to click the button. And you can see it's taking a picture. If you go to video, you just turn it to video. And it starts recording. You know what I mean? It's pretty cool. Only takes one button, once you connect it to YouTube. Only one click and you're good to go. Comment down below if you guys think this is something that you might want. Again, it's atumtek 3-in-1 selfie stick tripod, and it's made with metal. It's not all plastic. It's got a little plastic, but it's mostly metal. It's an aluminum alloy and it's really strong. Just don't go throwing it or whatever and purposely trying to mess it up, trying to test out if it's strong enough. But I mean, for the most part, it's gonna do the job. I really like how they got these things. They retract back in, so when you close it, it just goes all the way in, and then you can just snap them shut, and you're good to go. You can also put the little remote back on here like this. You just put it on there, and it snaps right into place, and you got everything all in one. So last thing, I'm going to hop on my computer and we're going to break down the specs and all the other stuff you need to know about this tripod. So let's hop on and I'm going to show you. Alright, so here we are on atumtek's website. This is the home page. They also got pretty good monitor stands and stuff like that. So if you want to check it out. But all their stuff has the 3-year warranty. You also got a risk-free trial of up to 30 days and free shipping. So that's good. But let's just scroll down until we find the selfie stick right here. We're going to click on it. And you can see you can pick from black, white, or blue. But if you scroll down a little bit, you can look at the benefits. It fits almost all mobile phones. It's aviation grade aluminum alloy, rotatable head. It's got anti-slip rubber on the bottom so you can get a little better grip when you put it on the ground. Detachable Bluetooth remote. And that's probably my favorite feature of all of them is the wireless remote. And then you got the retractable design, which makes it completely portable. You can throw it in any bag, throw it in your pocket even. The specs are it is 7.7 inches. When it's folded, unfolded, it's 31.3. The charging method is micro USB. The battery capacity is 50. The photo capture is 150,000. Remote range is 33 feet, so it's pretty far range, which is awesome. Device width is 2.16 to 3.42 inches. The Bluetooth compatibility is iOS 7.0 and Android 5.0 and above, which most people are going to be above these, so I wouldn't worry about that. Max load bearing is 15 kilograms. Product weight is 0.38 pounds. So it's not even a half a pound. Again, it's a great design. I think they did amazing with this product. I really wouldn't be recommending it if I didn't like it. Honestly, it doesn't affect either way. You know, they sent me this thing for free to do my honest review. And honestly, I think it's a great little tripod selfie stick. For the price, you really can't beat it. I've seen some other ones go for like double or triple this price, and they don't even have a wireless remote. So I think this is a great product. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to be recording some like B-roll of it so you guys can get a better look at it. But just let me know what you think. I think that about does it though for this video, guys. Again, if you're new to Supreme Tech, make sure to subscribe and smash that like button. I really appreciate all my subscribers. Thank you guys. Really helps out the channel. Again, guys, the price of this thing is $26.59, so not even 30 bucks. You get free shipping, so make sure to think about it. If you guys are starting to record stuff, especially with your phone, this is something to really consider getting. It's portable, it's strong, it's not going to break on you right away. It's got the wireless remote, the alloy aluminum. There's just a lot of good stuff about it. So, with all that said, guys, I'm going to let you go. Thanks for watching Supreme Tech, and I'll catch you in the next one.